Part 3, Chapter 6 of 1984 unfolds with Winston Smith situated in the dreary, hope-draining environment of the Chestnut Tree Cafe, consumed by Victory Gin and the ever-watchful gaze of the telescreen. This setting projects a tone of defeat and echoes the thorough control exerted by the party over individuals' lives. The chapter vividly portrays the culmination of Winston's psychological transformation under the oppressive regime of the party, drawing a stark contrast with his rebellious spirit earlier in the narrative. The chapter begins with an air of suspense mixed with a form of passive acceptance, as demonstrated by Winston's reaction to the war announcement concerning the battle against the Eurasian army. His mind, echoing the party's propaganda, mechanically scribbles 2 + 2 = 5 in the dust, signifying his final acceptance of the party's reality over objective truth. This act represents the zenith of Winston's indoctrination, showcasing the party's success in bending minds to its will. His accidental rendezvous with Julia forms a poignant moment in the chapter, shedding light on the devastating impact of the party's manipulative tactics on personal relationships. Julia, now physically and emotionally altered, mirrors Winston's transformation. Their confessions of mutual betrayal underscore the tragic undoing of their bond, laying bare the invasive power the party wields in severing genuine human connections. This interaction lays the groundwork for analyzing the themes of love, loyalty, and betrayal under totalitarianism, illustrating the extent to which personal affections are subjugated to the state's interests. Winston's life post-rehabilitation starkly deviates from his previous existence, indicated by his changed job and the general indifference towards his activities. This shift underscores the theme of dehumanization, as individuals under the party's regime are reduced to mere cogs within the societal machine, devoid of personal ambitions or connections. Winston's fleeting memory of his family, which he quickly dismisses as falsehood, reveals the deep psychological impact of the party's brainwashing techniques, emphasizing the loss of personal history and identity. The climactic moment of the chapter, and arguably the novel, arrives with the telescreen's announcement of a victory at the front, eliciting an emotional response from Winston. This victory is symbolic, representing not only the triumph in the physical war, but also in the ideological battle waged within Winston's mind. His tearful proclamation of love for Big Brother signifies the complete surrender of his individuality and the ultimate victory of totalitarian ideology over human spirit. In summary, Part 3, Chapter 6 captures the essence of Orwell's dystopian vision, a world where totalitarian control extinguishes the flames of personal freedom, individuality, and love. Through Winston's transformation, Orwell delves into the psyche of the oppressed, offering a bleak analysis of the human condition under authoritarian rule. The chapter not only serves as a denouement for Winston's journey, but also as a powerful commentary on the resilience of totalitarian systems and their capacity to mold human thought and behavior. Thanks for watching this Bookly Crash Course video. Please smash that like button, hit subscribe, and leave a comment down below about what videos you would like to see next.